Hi, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert any videos for TikTok. Let's get started. Coming up in this video, what are the differences between YouTube and TikTok videos? How to crop your video to vertical aspect ratio. How to use the auto reframe to crop videos for TikTok. If you created a video for YouTube, for example, but you also want to use it for TikTok, there are a few adjustments you need to do to it. YouTube uses horizontal aspect ratios while TikTok uses vertical ones. Here are a few examples of the different aspect ratios. So that's the first thing that you're gonna have to change. Now, the next thing you need to consider is length. On YouTube, it obviously doesn't matter how long the video is, but on TikTok, it does. Although now you can upload 10-minute long videos there too, but you definitely need to keep this in mind. And another thing that you're gonna have to work on when it comes to converting a video for TikTok is where the focus is in the video. So what you're gonna have to do is reframe the video as well. So to sum it up, there are two things that you're gonna have to do to a video when it comes to converting it for TikTok. One of them is cropping it, and the other one is reframing it. Now, fortunately, both are super easy with the Wondershare UniConverter, so let's get started. First of all, open up the UniConverter. On the left side panel here, click on the toolbox, and then within the toolbox, select the auto reframe tool. What this tool is going to do is cropping the video and reframing it at the same time. Let me show you. To import a file, click on import file or drag and drop it from your media browser. Now it will do some analyzing to the video. So we obviously need a vertical aspect ratio, and the default is 9:16, which is a vertical aspect ratio. You can see here it's for Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and basically the rest 4:3, 4:5, 21:9 are all horizontal ones. And 1:1 is of course an Easter egg because it's none of them, it's a square. But obviously we need 9:16 right now because we need a vertical one. Now what this tool does is detecting the motion of the subjects within the video and then reframing the video according to those motions. Here by motion speed, you can select how fast that motion is. If it's a slower motion or a faster one, or just set default, kind of like an average. Now, as this is a surfing video, as you can see, the motion is pretty quick, so I'm gonna select faster rather than slower. It does a bit of analyzing, of course. And then once it's done, you can see that it reframed the video, keeping the subject always in the middle. Now in this clip, for example, where there are multiple people running, it's trying to decide who to keep the focus on. And if you don't like what the UniConverter decided, you can always tweak it a bit and make subtle changes. To do that, click and drag on the frame and just place it where you want. It will create a little keyframe right here on the timeline. And for example here, it will move the frame between these two keyframes. You can do that as many times as you'd like to, keeping whoever you want in focus. And if you don't like what you did, you can also undo your actions or just click on one keyframe and delete it. But you see, there are not many corrections that I need to make. And I don't have to go frame by frame or second by second and animating the frame, because most of the job is done by the UniConverter automatically. Okay, so if you're done reframing your video, click on export, select an output folder and the name for the video, and then click save. That's it. And if you go into your output folder and watch the video, you have a video now that's perfectly fit for TikTok. And that's it. Now you can kick off your TikTok career too. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet for more how-to videos like this. Also, turn on the notifications so you never miss a new upload on this channel. With that being said, thank you so much for watching and I'm going to see you in the next video.